Hello there everyone, today I'm going to show you a full tutorial on how to use VidIQ for YouTube videos to enhance your channel. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So in this full video guide, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or until you see the first link in the comment section below. This will redirect you to the page itself, and this will be your step 1 to sign up and create a free account using our special offer. And then from here, you're going to click on sign up for free and then choose whatever Google account that is attached to your YouTube channel. So for example, I'm going to choose this channel right here. Now, once you do that, it will redirect you to the main page of the VidIQ. Now from here, it's going to tell you to install the Chrome extension, which is very recommended because this is basically where everything will be reported once you are on the YouTube website. So click on the install Chrome extension. And then from here, as you can see, there's a full review and all the tools around it. So all you have to do is click on here and go to add to Chrome. And then from here, you're going to read it and then add extension. And as you can see, there are more than 3 million users. So this is a very safe extension by the company. Now, as you can see, they're going to redirect it to youtube.com. And then from here, you're going to find a video that is going to tell you basic steps on what to do after installing. But we're also going to tell you more tips that you might not find here. So from here, you're going to go back to the website. And as you can see, this is your full dashboard. And then once you click on refresh, it will show that you have already installed it for the IQ option on the extension. And then from here, you can see find trending videos, get video ideas, find trending video ideas, and generate video content. Let's start with the find trending keywords. From here, as you can see, when you upload a video, there's going to be SEO. SEO is basically what helps people when they search for a video topic and then gets help to redirect to your own videos. So from here, you're going to search whatever keyword. So if I search for Minecraft and then I search Connect, as you can see, it will tell us two types of options. Search volume, which is going to be over 28 million, very high, and the competition, which is 93. Now, the lower the competition, the better, because it will be less videos for you to go at. So if you want to discover a video type idea that is not with a lot of competition, but still with a decent amount of search volume so that you can get the best results, then from here we can go to related keywords. As you can see, this one is 63, but overall there are better ones. So for example, if we go, I remade every mob in music, then from here, as you can see, the competition is lowered and the search volume is in the medium type. Now for the second topic of get video ideas. From here, you can implement all the ideas that you can write from here and then put them for find trending keywords to optimize your videos as best as possible. Click on here, and as you can see, there are a few ideas that it gets from my own channel due to my own videos. See, our own channel is focused on gaming, and so all these are related to gaming. But you can also get saved ideas that you can have for later, just like that, and it will save right here. Or dismissed ideas that you have said that they aren't good before, but maybe you have changed your mind. And of course, you can find many more once you unlock with Boost. All you have to do is click on here, and then you can get 7-day free trial to try it, and then you can subscribe for per month or per 12 months, and you can save some money from that. And so we're going to close it, and then we're going to go back to home. Third one is going to be finding trending videos. Once you click on here, it will show you all the trending videos that are around your channel topics. See, these will be around your vibe. And from here, it's going to show you if it's doing very well or if it's doing extremely well. And of course, you can get more by getting the Boost subscription. Those can give you good inspiration onto watching them, seeing their patterns, what they talk about, and then inspiring from them. You can choose normal videos or you can choose shorts, depending on what you like. And of course, there are many options to choose from. Once you go back home, you're going to find the last option, which says generate video content. From here, you can start your next video, and then from here, anything that you'd like to make a video about. So for example, I'm going to say I would like to make a video about League of Legends. We're going to let it wait, and then from here, you can customize thumbnails with your likeness. You can add a selfie or any clear photo of your face, and then from here, once you add it, it's going to generate a video thumbnail based on that. So this can be great for vlogs or even food challenges. You can add a photo, but for this time, we can simply skip it. And then from here, it's going to generate the best ideas. So as you can see, it gave us a full title, League of Legends Champions Ranked, a full description for us to copy, and all the tags necessary for the best optional optimization. And here are some thumbnails that are suggested, and you can create them online. And so those have no copyright claim on them, and you can use them directly. And it even tells you the hook that you can say at the start of the video, and then from here the outline, the hook, the introduction, the presentation of the problem, the exploration, the climax, the conclusion, and finally the call to action. Those are the steps for the perfect YouTube video, where you can get their problem and make a story around it, and then end it on a good note. And from here you can even click here to generate the script. Well, of course you need to upgrade with Boost, and that's why we give you 7-day of free trial, so that you can try all the premium features first, and if you see that they are helpful and they generated a good video, then you can simply continue with that. Finally, there is Coach. The Coach is split for AI chat and to learn or develop your skills. So we can click on the AI chat, and then from here it can tell you answers for any questions that you have related about YouTube and content creation. So for example, we can say to write a YouTube video, community post about my new car, and that I will make a video about it. So for example, this will suggest for your audience on YouTube to click on the post link, and as you can see, it generates a full one, and it's just as easy to use other tools such as ChatGPT. Now, of course, you have basic chat, and then you have personalized chat, which is going to be the advanced feature that you can get with the Pro subscription. Now, after all of these features, you have many tools right here. Keywords, competitors, outliers, subscribers, generate, daily ideas, create, thumbnail, optimize, SEO, coach, and learn. So even the daily ideas are really good because those are the ones that you find in the idea section. Now, if you already have videos and you would like to optimize them, you can simply click on here. And then from here in the optimization, as you can see, those are my previous videos. And if I would like to optimize one, then I can click on it. And then from here, it will suggest for me changes. So it will give me the title and then suggested title. This can be improvement. And this is the feedback that can give me by subscribing to the Boost subscription. From here, you can also go to the thumbnail and it will optimize your thumbnail once you subscribe for it. And here are extra details and all the keywords that I have used and all the suggestions that it can give me. And also the tags that it will recommend the best. And from here, as you can see, you can swipe them just like that. You can just remove one and then replace it from the app. Because it's integrated to YouTube, it's very easy to use, and you can even find more tags from the topic that you would like. So if I said Nintendo, then it will generate me all the free tags. Now from here, after it's done, you can go to YouTube itself, and then from here we can click on here, and as you can see, this can give us everything we need, from home to dashboard to upload and everything. And finally, when you click on upload and you choose to upload a video, such as this one, it will give you all the necessary details about that video. So it will give you a suggested title, and then from here get AI description recommendation, and also get AI generated thumbnails, and most importantly the SEO and the recommended keywords that you can add. All of those have full scores that you can keep up with, and those are trends and algorithms that you can study to improve your channel's performance. And finally, as you can see, this box right here, and once you click on here, it will show you the daily ideas, the competitors, trend alerts, most viewed, channel audit, keyword inspector, and achievements. Those are the ones that you'll keep going by every day to see the performance of the channel and how to improve it. And that is the full guide on how to use VidIQ to your advantage to improve your channel performance and make the best videos out of it. If you would like to see more tutorials just like this one, full guides and detailed personalization, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Bye bye.